Hey guys, so I'm really excited to bring you 3 really easy holiday hairstyles. You guys have been asking for this, and I promise they are super easy. So the first style, we're gonna start off by making a side part. You don't wanna make it too far to the side because we do need some hair on either side. So I'm going to start by twisting my hair, and you can see that I'm just grabbing little sections as I go, and I'm going to keep twisting until I get to about my ear, and then I'm just going to secure that with some bobby pins. Once that's done, I'm just gonna go right on the other side and do the same exact thing. But first, I just needed to tighten up this little twist here. Just gonna re-secure it, and now we're gonna move on to the other side. So for hairstyle number 2, we're going to do a very easy updo. So we want to start off by grabbing some of our hair. I don't want to grab the whole thing because I kind of want that center part to stay. You'll see what I mean. So then I'm just going to grab the bottom. See at the top, like you still have some volume there and it's not like flat like a regular ponytail. So then I'm going to do this like top knot thing, and then I kind of just squish it into like half of a bun, half, I don't know what it is, but I like how it looks, so I just went with it. You can see like I have very messy pieces of hair that I just have to like pin into place, but I really am a fan of these like messier updos. You still see the texture of your hair, but your hair is like mostly out of your face, so I really like it. And then just to finish it off, I went in with this little pearl clip that I got from Amazon. And now let's move on to hairstyle number 3. So for the third hairstyle, the base is going to be the same, and it's going to be a low bun, but I'm going to show you a few different ways you can do it. So for the first style, I am going to pull some of the face framing pieces out, put my hair in a little low bun, and then secure that with some bobby pins. Okay, so just to get my bangs out of my face and keep them secure, I'm just going to bobby pin them. But we're going to cover it with this little headband so you can't even tell that the bobby pins are there. So this is one way that you can do a little low bun. You still have some of that texture showing with the face framing pieces. Okay, so now we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to take the scarf off, and now I'm going to polish up the bun just a little bit more by just tightening the sides of it so there's not as much hair kind of flying out. And I just added some pretty earrings, and this kind of elevates it and just makes it a little bit more polished. You could also leave the clip and leave the face earring pieces, so there's a lot of different combinations. So that is going to conclude my holiday hairstyles. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.